Hey everyone, Coach Andrew here. If you have a set of Willpower bands, as of the date of this video, then they were probably made right here in this workshop. But today I'm not making bands, I'm filming this tutorial on our most effective workout for wrestlers and grapplers. This is our stamina routine for fundamentals. It's called the Last Fighter Standing Circuit. 10-minute of chaos intervals, 90 seconds on, 30-second rest, 5 fundamental movements: pummeling, head snaps, shots, sprawls, and then battle bands. We developed this workout at a Soviet wrestling club in Brighton Beach, Brooklyn. We used it mostly as a post-practice workout on medium intensity days. Why after practice? Building stamina in your fundamental grappling movements creates resilience against fall-off in performance over the course of a match. There's no better time to do this than after practice when you're already tired. If you had to compare a fight sport match to a kind of workout, the closest comparison would be a metabolic training circuit. In a match, the movements you need to execute and force of execution ranges unpredictably from maintaining position while controlling fatigue to flurries of maximum output with the occasional break for resetting your heart rate. If you want to build stamina for your fight sport, then using sets of chaotic intensity intervals can improve your ability to perform throughout the match. The great thing about doing interval training with a set of willpower bands is that you can recreate not only the chaotic time, tempo, and tension of a match, but also the sport-specific movements of the match. When you're doing the movements, mix up the pace to mirror your expectations of a hard match. Use short periods of slow tempo to mirror position maintenance, long periods of medium tempo to mirror attack setup and defensive positioning, then short bursts of high tempo to mirror scrambling to finish an attack or counter an attack. This is when you go as hard as you can. Then during rest, stay active, catch your breath, switch the bands for setup for the next movement, but don't shut down. Make sure that you're staying involved in the workout, just like you would be if you had to come back to the mat center after a whistle's blown. Now, depending on the particular expectation of your grappling sport, you can mix in other movements. For example, with jiu-jitsu's focus on ground game, you could swap out shots for loaded bear crawls or sprawls with sit-outs and technical stand-ups. Try it out. Let me know what you think in the comments below.